It fights for its life. We fight for ours.
That night, I did not just feed them. For you.
Thank you.
The long cold is coming. Our spirits must be strong. Close. Very close now. Now, for the tribe. Winter's breath is on our necks. Winter's breath is on our necks.
The tribe depends on this hunt.
One shot for our family.
Now! It fights for its life. We fight for ours. It fights for its life. We fight for ours.
Forgive me, brother. Your life gives us ours. My first kill. My first true hunt. My hands still tremble from it. Your life feeds the tribe's life.
He did not teach me how to kill. He taught me why we must. For them.
Hurrah! They have returned!
You are a hunter, son. You have fed your people.
I left a boy. I returned a man.
Waste nothing. Every piece counts.
Waste nothing. Every piece counts.
salt of the earth. It will keep me safe.
This must last. And this is for them.
This last. And this is for them.
He showed it.
Every smell, every sound. It was a part of the story.
That night, I did not just feed them.
I finally understood how to provide. In the darkness, fire was life. It kept the beasts away. Was our prayer, and a full belly was a victory. For you.
Thank you.
Some victories were personal, a different kind of warmth. That night, we were not just survivors. We were a people. We were home. That night, we were not just survivors. We were a people. We were home.